Hello, my name is Dr. Urja. I am author of Oral Guard, an AI powered conversational screening assistant designed to act as an early triage aid for oral cancer risk. Oral cancer, particularly oral squamous cell carcinoma, is a massive global health burden, especially in regions with widespread consumption of tobacco, gutka, and betel nut. Unfortunately, 60% of cases are detected at advanced stages where survival rate drops below 30%. This is because patient often ignores early signs and minor ulcers or white patches or they lack access to oral specialists. Oral Guard is designed to automate the early clinical intake and risk stratification process. It conducts empathetic conversational interview, extracts key symptoms and classifies patient risk levels to help direct high risk cases to specialists early. One of the primary engineering challenges in rural outreach camps or remote health centers is complete lack of stable internet connectivity. An assistant reliant solely on cloud APIs would fail in these environments. To solve this, Oral Guard features offline resilience. As you can see on the right, it allows the user to choose between two environments: online mode, powered by Google's Gemini 2.0 API for natural conversational dialogue, and offline mode, which runs a local deterministic rules engine on device with zero internet. We also have a built-in credential isolation, which lets users enter their API key securely without hard coding it. Let's start fresh screening. Here you can see API connection failed. Our assistant fell directly into offline triage mode. The conversational agent greets us and asks for basic patient info. I'll enter Dean, age 65 years. When the agent asks about oral lesions, if I just reply with simple yes, the stateful agent is programmed not to rush to conclusions. It automatically prompts for specific type of lesions. Also notice the clinical rational expander. If a patient or clinician asks why a question is being asked, application instantly shows the underlying clinical evidence explaining, for example, why white or red patches were present a higher pre-malignant risk. This provides transparency and medical education in real time. A critical safety aspect of medical applications is handling interruption. If a patient gets interrupted or needs to exit mid screening, we click Save and Exit. Instead of calculating false low risk score from incomplete data, Oral Guard locks the assessment, displays incomplete dossier showing what data was collected, and flags exactly what parameters are missing. If we reload the application, Oral Guard local state recovery instantly detects the incomplete session file. Clicking Resume Save Session loads our chat history and patient state, letting us pick up exactly where we left off. Let's finish the intake. We will specify that source have been present for 5 weeks. We do not use tobacco, but we have difficulty in swallowing. Do notice how this flags insufficient information because the question particularly asks about the difficulty in swallowing or mouth opening and the duration. Here I have answered just difficulty in swallowing, that is dysphagia, and missed the duration. It goes ahead. Please specify which difficulty you have and duration. It rephrases the question and specifically highlights the information which was missing in the previous answer. Ahead, are you experiencing any pain? Patient says no. Once the checklist is completed, background entity extraction updates the patient dossier on the left sidebar. Deterministic rules engine that runs and classifies the patient as high risk. This is because mouth sore has been persisted for more than 4 weeks and dysphagia was present. On the right, we generate a formal patient screening report. If we expand the clinical reasoning section, the system explains why the recommendation was made, linking long lasting source and swallowing difficulties to compromised healing capacity that requires an urgent specialist referral within 1 week. Behind the scenes, Oral Guard is structured as a decoupled Python application. By separating natural language intake layer from the strict rule-based triage engine, we guarantee that conversational AI variation never compromise patient safety. Thank you for watching, and I hope Oral Guard makes early oral cancer triage accessible to everyone anywhere.